Step into the future of healthcare leadership with BSc in Hospital Management at VPMM Group of Institutions. A career that blends compassion and management expertise awaits you. Gain hands-on experience through internships in top hospitals. Learn from expert faculty in master hospital operations, medical ethics, finance, and healthcare IT. With this degree, you can build a successful career in private and government hospitals. Manage healthcare facilities efficiently. Public health departments. Work in health administration and policymaking. National Health Mission, NHM. Contribute to healthcare projects and rural health programs. State and central government healthcare services. Secure roles in hospital administration and management. Healthcare IT and medical research institutes. Support technological advancements in healthcare. Medical tourism and international healthcare ventures. Work with global healthcare providers. The healthcare industry is growing, and your future starts here. Admissions open. Apply now and become a leader in hospital management with VPMM Group of Institutions.